Costco has a reputation for selling Lego sets for the lowest price you'll see when they are new. Hi, I'm Michael, and let's take a look at the top Lego kits that Costco is selling this holiday season. Actually, I want to start off with a Lego item that is not a toy. It's this 2-pack of Lego luggage that comes in 3 colors, blue, red, and yellow. It's a backpack and a carry-on luggage. These are hot items. When I looked this up on Costco's website, they always seem to be sold out. That's why I was surprised to see them in the store. Also, I talked to a few parents who were looking at this luggage in the store, and they said it was for them, not their kids. I get it. Apparently, this Lego luggage is quite the fashion statement. Okay, let's go to the Lego sets. One big sign that Christmas is near is Advent calendars. Costco has Lego Advent calendars in several themes for $34.99. There's Disney, Marvel, and Star Wars. As you know, when you open each day on the Advent calendar, you get a surprise. This time, a mini Lego toy figure. Pretty cool. Next up, I think the most beautiful Lego toy I saw on this day in Costco was this amazing poinsettia. Look at the bright and vibrant colors. Just a wonderful piece of art. This one is 608 pieces and it's priced at $37.99. Speaking of art, the most famous painting in the world is the Mona Lisa by Da Vinci. Here's Lego's version of the Mona Lisa for $74.99. It actually looks pretty good. It's 1,503 pieces and targeted for adults, although I think my artsy 10-year-old would like this kit. With regards to kids, my son was addicted to Pokemon last Christmas. This year, he's all in for Ninjago and Legos, so this kit is like a dream toy for him. It's the Dragonstone Shrine. It's around 1,200 pieces for $99.99. Next, an oldie but a goldie. It's Simba from The Lion King. What a great movie. Now, Simba is ruling the Lego Kingdom in the toy section at Costco. He's 1,445 pieces and on clearance for $99.97. If you want your kid to learn some basics on car mechanics or car design, then consider the Lego Technic set for $39.99. It goes into great details about the overall design of the car and its engine. These cars are really popular. Moving along, one of the biggest kits we saw was this Lego Friends Castle. It's a bed and breakfast. This castle is 3 levels, around 1,300 pieces, and priced at $74.99. Lastly, I talked about a plant at the start of this video, so let's finish with a plant to end the video. This orange plant is part of Lego's botanical collection. Really beautiful. It's priced at $21.99. So that's a wrap. We wanted to do this video to give you an idea of the Lego sets that Costco is carrying for this holiday shopping season. We'll keep watching Costco's toy section to let you know about any new products, but this is a start. Thanks for watching today. See you at Costco.